In an era where digital presence has become as crucial as real-world professional accomplishments, LinkedIn stands as the cornerstone of modern career development and professional networking. What began in 2003 as a modest platform for job seekers has evolved into an indispensable global ecosystem that connects over 900 million professionals across more than 200 countries. This transformation reflects a fundamental shift in how we approach career growth, business relationships, and professional opportunities in the digital age. The evolution of professional networking. The professional landscape has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past 2 decades. Traditional networking methods, conference rooms, business cards, and after-work mixers, while still valuable, no longer solely dictate career advancement. Today's professional world demands a more dynamic, always accessible approach to career management and networking. LinkedIn has emerged as the definitive answer to this need, creating a space where professionals can showcase their expertise, connect with industry peers, and discover opportunities around the clock. What truly sets LinkedIn apart from other social platforms is its unique position at the intersection of professional networking, content sharing, and career development. While other social media platforms focus on personal connections and entertainment, LinkedIn has cultivated an environment specifically designed for professional growth and business relationships. This focused approach has made it an indispensable tool for professionals across all industries and career stages. The power of digital professional identity. Your LinkedIn profile serves as your digital professional identity, a dynamic, living document that transcends the limitations of a traditional resume. While a conventional CV might only be seen when actively applying for positions, your LinkedIn profile works continuously, showcasing your professional journey to a global audience of potential employers, collaborators, and industry peers. This constant visibility creates opportunities that might never have emerged through conventional job-seeking methods. The platform's strength lies in its ability to verify and validate professional connections and experiences. When you create a profile on LinkedIn, you're not just listing your work history, you're joining a community where professional relationships can be built, nurtured, and leveraged for mutual growth. This ecosystem of verified professionals and businesses creates a trusted environment for professional networking and opportunity discovery. Beyond job hunting, the multifaceted professional platform. While LinkedIn's reputation as a job-searching platform is well-deserved, viewing it solely through this lens would significantly undersell its capabilities. The platform has evolved into a comprehensive professional development tool that serves multiple crucial functions. It's become a global marketplace of ideas, opportunities, and connections that can fundamentally transform your career trajectory. Professional networking on LinkedIn goes far beyond simply connecting with colleagues and classmates. The platform enables you to build meaningful relationships with industry leaders, potential mentors, and peers who share your professional interests. These connections can lead to unexpected opportunities, collaborative projects, and valuable insights that might never have materialized through traditional networking channels. The platform's knowledge-sharing capabilities have transformed it into a vital source of professional development and industry insights. Through thoughtful posts, articles, and discussions, professionals can both consume and contribute to important conversations in their field. This exchange of ideas and experiences creates a dynamic learning environment where professionals can stay current with industry trends, share their expertise, and establish themselves as thought leaders. For businesses and entrepreneurs, LinkedIn serves as a powerful tool for business development and marketing. The platform's professional focus makes it ideal for B2B marketing, lead generation, and relationship building with potential clients and partners. Companies can showcase their products and services, share company news and achievements, and connect with decision makers in their target markets. The art of profile optimization. Your LinkedIn profile is the foundation of your professional online presence, and its optimization requires careful attention to detail and strategic thinking. Rather than simply listing your work history, your profile should tell a compelling story about your professional journey, achievements, and aspirations. The profile photo and background image serve as your visual first impression, setting the tone for your professional brand. These elements should reflect your industry and professional persona while maintaining approachability and authenticity. A well-chosen profile photo can significantly impact your profile's performance in searches and connection requests. Your headline and about section work together to create a powerful professional narrative. The headline serves as your professional tagline, appearing in searches and helping potential connections understand your value proposition at a glance. The About section expands on this, allowing you to tell your professional story in a way that engages readers and highlights your unique value proposition. The Experience section should go beyond simply listing job titles and responsibilities. Each role should tell a story of achievement and growth, using concrete examples and metrics to demonstrate your impact. This section is your opportunity to showcase not just what you did, but how well you did it and what results you achieved. Strategic engagement and content creation. Success on LinkedIn requires more than just setting up a profile and waiting for opportunities to come to you. The platform rewards active, meaningful participation in its ecosystem. This engagement should be strategic and aligned with your professional goals. Content creation and sharing on LinkedIn requires a thoughtful approach. The most successful content provides genuine value to your network, whether through industry insights, professional experiences, or thought-provoking discussions. The key is to find your authentic voice and consistently contribute content that resonates with your target audience. Engagement with others' content is equally important. Thoughtful comments and responses can help you build relationships, demonstrate expertise, and increase your visibility within your professional community. The key is to focus on quality over quantity, ensuring that each interaction adds value to the conversation. Building and nurturing professional relationships. The heart of LinkedIn's value lies in its ability to facilitate meaningful professional relationships. Building and maintaining these relationships requires a strategic approach that goes beyond simply collecting connections. Each connection should represent a potential opportunity for mutual growth and professional development. When building your network, focus on quality and relevance rather than quantity. Seek out connections who share your professional interests, work in related fields, or could potentially collaborate with you in the future. Each connection should have a clear purpose or potential value to your professional journey. Maintaining these relationships requires regular engagement and authentic interaction. Share relevant content, celebrate others' achievements, and look for opportunities to provide value to your connections. These small actions help build strong professional relationships that can lead to significant opportunities over time. Privacy and professional boundaries. One of the unique challenges of professional networking on LinkedIn is maintaining the right balance between visibility and privacy. The platform offers various settings to control how your information is shared and who can see your activity. Understanding and properly configuring these settings is crucial for maintaining professional boundaries while maximizing the platform's benefits. This is particularly important for professionals who are job hunting while currently employed or managing sensitive business relationships. LinkedIn's privacy settings allow you to control who sees your network, when you appear in searches, and how your activity is shared with others. The future of professional networking. As the professional world continues to evolve, LinkedIn's role is likely to become even more crucial. The platform consistently introduces new features and capabilities to meet changing professional needs. From virtual networking events to enhanced video capabilities and AI-powered networking suggestions, LinkedIn continues to innovate in ways that make professional networking more effective and accessible.